Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bullseye Tire Inflater Pro. So I do want to thank the company for actually gifting this to me just because this came at such a great time in which all my tires are currently under pressure. And so with it, it comes with a carrying case. It already has a nozzle attached. You can charge it via DC outlet, type USB, or an AC outlet, as you can see back right over there. And with this, it's actually really fairly easy to use. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and unscrew your tire. And let me see if I can get a better angle here. And so with that tire unscrewed, you're going to make sure that the nozzle is opened up like that. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. So with the nozzle, you're just going to go ahead and insert it into the tire. So let me go ahead and actually turn the camera around. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so the nozzle, just make sure you clamp it down. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the nozzle attached. And then now to turn it on, you're just going to press the power button or hold the power button down. And as you can see, when it starts to blink, right now the tire pressure is at 23. And then you can press the minus and plus signs in order to go ahead and adjust the target pressure. So right now, if it's not blinking, I know on camera it looks like it's blinking, but right now it's just a solid 23. That's the current tire pressure of this car. And then if I press the plus button and it starts to blink, that's the target pressure of the car. So I want the target pressure to be 30 PSI. Right now it's at 23 PSI. So we're going to go ahead and press the button and now it's going to go ahead and start to inflate. So while I have that run, it's right currently at 27 PSI, but as soon as it hits 30 PSI, it's going to go ahead and automatically shut off. But this is just a really neat way to go ahead and basically keep the pressure maintained on the tires of your car. So right now it's at 27. It should be like about another minute or so before it goes ahead and turns off. So right now it's at 28. Now it's at 29. Should be a couple more seconds and it's going to go ahead and shut off automatically. And there you have it. It's now automatically shut off at 30 PSI. So to go ahead and remove it, you're just going to go ahead and flip this open and it should pop right off. And boom. So that right there is my review. It works great. I feel confident in the pressure. Very easy to use. It's also got a flashlight included as well that you see right over there. And it is rechargeable, best of all. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.